Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Shopify easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Shopify, start by researching the company. Visit Shopify's official website and read their latest news and updates. Check financial news platforms to gather information about Shopify's performance. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers access to Shopify's stock. Complete the registration process for your new brokerage account. Fund your brokerage account with a bank transfer or another payment method. Once your account is funded, log in to your brokerage platform. Use the search function to find Shopify's stock symbol, which is SHOP. Review the stock's current price and recent performance data. Determine how many shares you want to purchase. Decide whether to place a market order or a limit order. A market order buys shares at the current price. A limit order lets you set a specific price for your purchase. Submit your order after confirming all details. Monitor your investment regularly through your brokerage account. Consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. Stay informed about Shopify's market trends and quarterly earnings reports. Adjust your investment strategy as necessary based on market conditions. Review your long-term financial goals to ensure they align with your investment in Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.